Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to merge Notion databases with each other. If you're managing multiple databases and need to consolidate information into one central location, this process will help you combine your data seamlessly. Let's walk through it step by step. First, head over to your Notion workspace. Once you're there, locate and open the table you want to merge from. This will be your source table, the main database where all your consolidated data will live. It's important to identify this correctly since this is where everything will end up. Next, you'll need to open the second table, the one you want to merge into your source table. This is the database containing the data you want to transfer. Having both tables clearly identified before you begin makes the process much smoother and helps prevent any confusion. Now with your second table open, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all the data within it. This keyboard shortcut highlights everything in the table at once, saving you the hassle of manually selecting each entry. You'll see all your rows and columns highlighted, indicating that they're ready to be moved. After selecting all the data, look for the three-dot icon at the top of the menu that pops up. It's usually labeled with 3 horizontal dots or dashes. Click on this icon to reveal additional options for managing your selected data. This menu is your gateway to moving content between databases. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Move To. This option allows you to relocate your selected data to another database within your Notion workspace. It's a powerful feature that makes database management much more flexible and efficient. A search window will appear, prompting you to find the destination for your data. Locate your source table, which in this case might be named something like Overall Sales Source or whatever you've called it. Click on it to designate it as the destination for all the data you've selected. Finally, go back to your source table and validate the data. Check that all the entries have merged correctly and that nothing was lost or duplicated in the transfer. This quick review ensures your consolidated database is accurate and complete. And that's it. You've successfully merged 2 Notion databases into one, making your workspace more organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.